if you want to get a job or start earning money right after graduating from ISER, then do not join ISER. Hi, my name is Jagrati and I am a biological sciences graduate from ISER Bhopal. Most of you watching this video, I believe, would be appearing for IAT 2026. It's okay. You can appear for the exam, you can give the exam, but before making your final decision, I just wanted to talk to you. I just want to clear something, which I really think someone would have told me earlier before joining the ISER. I am very well aware of the things happening around NEET, CUET and all, paper leak and all. The point is, those who could not make it here, जिनका NEET क्रैक नहीं होगा, CUET क्रैक नहीं होगा, JEE क्रैक नहीं होगा, they will consider ISER as their plan B. But here comes your first mistake. Your expectations after clearing NEET, CUET or JEE, whichever college you join, the expectations of yours from that college will not be fulfilled by ISER at all. I know the people will look at the good campus, facilities, faculties, ठीक है, national level का college है and all. But what about the placements? After clearing NEET, CUET or JEE, आप जो भी engineering or medical college में जाओगे, then there you will be sure that after completing my course, I will be a doctor or I will be an engineer. I'll get direct placement after my engineering. That is your natural assumption, right? That's your natural expectation from your college after clearing these exams. But ISER में आप BASMS करने के बाद, can you expect the same thing from ISER as well? I say no, not at all. After spending years in ISER, I think I consider myself experienced enough to tell you this thing. First of all, ISER is for research, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. ISER is for research. If you think after BSMS I'll get a job in the market, no, you are just prepared to pursue your higher studies, PhDs and all. That's it. Nobody gonna hire you as a researcher or a scientist in any company. So if you are thinking that I'll get a placement right after graduating from ISER, then no, this is not going to happen. Let me tell you about ISER. When I joined ISER, I never thought about this thing. I literally came to it like, it's okay, it's a good college, nice campus and all. I only thought about these things. But over the time, when I spent time with research in the college, I realized that research is not my cup of tea. Because earlier I never thought about it. I never thought what will I do after my BSMS or after my graduation. And nobody even told me this thing that you are not going to get a placement right after doing your BSMS. You have to do further study, you have to do PhD and all. So I'm telling you these things now before getting admission into ISER. Because see, most of the students, around 70 to 80% of the students either go for PhD, that is higher studies, okay, either in India or in abroad. So if you're interested, if you have time and if you don't have urge to earn money early, then it's okay, you can go for higher study, either India or abroad. Now you might be thinking कि ठीक है, stipend तो मिलता है PhD में, that is kind of salary for us, but especially if I talk about in India, will that enough for you? 37k per month, will that be enough for you? And that's also when you're studying. You have to pay the college fees, your mess fees and whatnot. So if you're ready to spend this many years of your life, 10 to 12 years of your life in your studies, then it's okay. ISER is the best place, I think. But if not, then don't come here. Remaining 10 to 20% student, those who don't do further studies or go for research, they usually from the BTech or the BS. So what they do post-graduation. They either do MTech, MBA or any other field. They either change the field, give some exams or do some other things. So this is the section of the student who later realize, no, research is not my thing. I don't want to do the research. I don't want to do PhD, higher studies. So later they do these things only because of the late realization. But now I'm telling this to you. See, I'm not, defaming the ISERs at all. ISER, I think, is the best place, but not at all for all. सबके लिए नहीं है. Those who have time, money and interest. ठीक है, you have a lot of time, you're okay with spending your time in further studies, come here. If you don't have any pressure of earning money, you have a lot of money, there is no pressure on you, then come here. If you have a lot of interest in research, then best place is the ICER. Come here, you are always welcome. But coming from the middle class family, I know the societal pressure, family pressure. When you feel like, no, now I just want to earn, I just want to be independent, I just want to be financially independent. So better realizing it later. I'm telling these things now to you. And at the end, the decision is yours. I just want you to take right decision, right step towards your career. I do not want to gaslight you people or demotivate you. ICERs are really the best place. But see, these things are, you have these things, then come here, else you can find some other way. But you're only coming here only after looking at the campuses, faculties, facilities and all, then you have to think about it again. Yeah, this was my honest try to help you make a right decision. Now it's up to you. You are wiser enough to take a right decision. And yeah, about me, do I really regret joining ICER or not? If you want to know this, ask me in the comments. If you want to know about the research and want to know are you really interested in research, then also comment me. I'll try to answer that. Bye.